Hi there. Let's play a matching game. We will match the colors and numbers on these puzzle pieces. There are 10 vehicle puzzle pieces. Let's match each one to the number puzzle pieces and find the same colors too. Each vehicle puzzle piece has a different number of vehicles and a different color. Let's start with puzzle piece number 1, which is blue. I matched the blue number 1 with the blue bus. Is this a match? You're right, this doesn't match. There are 4 buses, and the puzzle color is pink. Let's swap the bus puzzle with the matching one. This ship puzzle looks right. The puzzle is blue, and there is 1 ship. Puzzle number 1 is all done. It matches the vehicle puzzle, and it's a big cruise ship. Next, we look for the puzzle with 2 vehicles. This airplane puzzle has 2 and is red. Let's match it with puzzle number 2. Let's match the green puzzle number 3 with a green scooter. Does it match? No, it doesn't match. There are more than 3 scooters, and the puzzle color is gray, not green. Let's swap the scooter puzzle for another one. How about trying the supercar puzzle? This one fits. There are 3 supercars and the puzzle color is green. Let's go to puzzle number 4. We found the number 4 vehicle, which is the bus puzzle. Let's match them together. The color matches too. Both are pink. Puzzle number 5 is yellow. The yellow puzzle is a truck, and there are 5 trucks. So it's a good match. Now, let's put the light blue puzzle number 6 here. Then we look for a vehicle puzzle that is light blue too. We found it, so let's put it in place. Puzzle number 6 matches the speedboat puzzle, which has 6 speedboats. We place the orange puzzle number 7 there. Look! There's an orange vehicle puzzle nearby. Let's put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 small planes, so the puzzle fits perfectly. Next, puzzle number 8 is light pink. Let's find a puzzle with 8 vehicles. Here's one with 8 big motorbikes. We've matched 8 puzzles. Let's finish the rest. Puzzle number 9 in turquoise matches the car puzzle. Let's count the cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9. Finally, puzzle number 10 is gray. It matches the scooter puzzle. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 scooters. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a whole world of fun waiting just for you.